Hello everyone. Now in this video we'll discuss about include and exclude and we'll see how it works here. So let's start here. Click on the stack column chart, adjust its size or resize. Now on the x-axis we'll move the category, y-axis profit, and in the legend we'll move region. Now done. Now we'll see how it works include and exclude here. Suppose we want to compare two category technology waste and this is office supply east. So how it will do it? Just press the control and click on both the. Now right click and click on include here. Now we can see here value of both the value. In technology waste profit is 44303 and office supply east profit is 41014. Basically include and exclude act as a filter here. So we'll see here how it is. Click on this filter. Yes. Now click here. Include here. We see here. We can see office supply category, east region technology category, office supply, east region technology and west region here. Now there are two ways to go back here. Either click on this undo button or remove the filter here. So first we'll remove the filter here. Let's see what happens. Again going back here. Now again include filter is applied here. Now click on undo button here. Yes, now there is no filter here. So this is about the include. Now we'll see how exclude work here. So suppose we want to analyze it and we don't want these three fields here we don't want here. So now click here and click on the exclude here. Now we can see here after applying the exclude how it looks like. We can see the exclude detail here like technology category west region office supply, technology category west region office supply and furniture west region here. So we can see the detail of all those things. We can see a technology east value here, but we don't see the technology west here. So we can see a region only central, east, south here. So like this is all about the exclude here. Now again to go back here, there are two options like the include here. Either remove all the filters here or click on the undo button here. Now this time I will click on the undo button. Yes, now it came back here. Now again we'll do the same thing. Right click, click on the exclude. Now we can see the filter here, detail of the filter. This is the filter detail here. Now remove filter here. See again it came back here. So this is all about the include and exclude filter.